Chapter 10. Light, Sound and Force. We need. The sun is a natural source of light. The world would be a dark place. We have learnt that an object that gives light is called a source of light. The sun is a natural source of light. Light. Light is a form of energy. The main source of light on the earth is sun. Certain objects like the stars, candle, bulb and lamp give out light. Such objects are called luminous objects. Objects like moon, table, paper, pencil box and ball do not give out any light. Such objects are called non-luminous objects. We can see non-luminous objects only when light falls on them and light reflects to our eyes. Shadow. Light always travels in a straight line. The light coming from the sun, the light coming from a torch and the light coming from the headlight of a car travel in a straight line. When a source of light is blocked or disturbed by an object, a dark patch is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. This dark patch is called a shadow. You must have observed your shadow on the floor or ground when you stand outside in the sun. It happens because the path of light coming from the sun is blocked by you. Sound. We all have heard the sounds like chirping of birds, barking of dogs, ringing of doorbells and crying of a baby. All these sounds are very familiar. We also make sounds when we speak. Sound is a form of energy produced by both living and non-living things. Different things produce different sounds. Some sounds are loud, while others are soft. Some sounds like music are pleasant, while others like honking of a vehicle are unpleasant and disturbing. Noise is the loud and unpleasant sound. Force. You must have pulled open a door or pushed it shut. We usually push or pull things to move them. Pushing or pulling something is called a force. Force helps us to do many things. Force can move an object. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the shape of an object.